Let's get into my morning skincare routine, and it's very simple, very easy. When I don't wash my face, which is normally in the morning because sometimes I'm lazy, if I don't, I use this. This is the Skin Smart antimicrobial facial cleanser. It's similar to the Tower 28 hydrochlorous spray, but that's too expensive. So get you one of these off of Amazon. And then this is all of the rest of the stuff that I use. 5 things in the morning. And that is my facial cleanser, my toner, there we go. Then I use my Vanicream Vitamin C. Everything I use is Vanicream mostly, for the most part, just because I have sensitive skin issues. So if you have eczema, sensitive skin, acne prone skin, dry skin, it's phenomenal. Like, I can't recommend it enough. Here we go, Vanicream. Daily facial, moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and ceramides. And the vitamin C also has ceramides. And then we use our handy dandy Black Girl sunscreen. Works for me. And when I don't use that, I just spray, what is it, Sun Bum? I spray that on my hand and rub it all over my face. And I'm back with my nightly skincare routine. And first and foremost, we're going to start off with our oil cleanser or makeup melting balm. And I just love this stuff by Pharmacy just because for the fact it does remove stubborn makeup as well as any sunscreen, impurities, toxins without stripping my skin. And it feels so moisturized and soft after using it. So I just put about a quarter size amount onto my skin and really just make sure I rub it all over my face and my neck. Don't forget your neck, ladies, because obviously you apply makeup there. So you want to make sure you get all that makeup and dirt off your neck. And then I just rinse it off with some warm water, and reminder it's oil, so you're not going to get as clean as you want to clean. And I just go in with my favorite Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser just to go over that, remove some of the oil as well as any other impurities and dirt that's still left on my skin from the makeup cleansing balm or whatever it didn't catch. You just want to make sure you just get in there. Now, as I was rubbing this all in, I realized that I need to use my electric scrubber, which is perfect timing anyway because I like to use it when I'm using just my foaming cleanser and not the oil, just because the oil can get a little messy with the makeup and all that. So it's perfect just to use when you already did that step. And then I just rinse it off and I'm going to dry my skin. I also ran out of my clean skin towels, as I don't like to use my regular towel to dry my skin because you're just going to spread bacteria onto your face from using your body towel that you dry your body with. So I just went in with a little facial towel and just pat it dry before I show you my Light Therapy LED panel. So I'm not going to use it right now because I am going to use my Medicube exfoliating pads that have BHA and AHA. And I don't like to use them at the same time or the same night, so I use them every other day. So tonight I'm going to go with my Medicube, and I like to use the exfoliating side first, and then I flip it over to the softer side just to calm down my skin. But this stuff is great just for cleaning out all the dirt from your pores, making your pores appear smaller if they do seem enlarged like mine are. And it also helps clear acne. So it's kind of just a miracle worker. She's amazing. I give her all 5 stars. I give her all the recommendations. Like, you will not regret it, and it's perfect for sensitive skin like I have. So like I said, I like to just flip over and use the soft side after I use the side that's a little bit more rough. And after that, I just make sure I just let that dry into my skin before I go in with my toner, which is going to balance the pH in my skin before I apply the rest of my products in my routine. And I just spritz, let that dry in between each step as well. And then I'm gonna go into my serum, which I use the On The Spot Eliminator by Dr. Dennis Gross. I just love it. It seems to work overnight for me. And if I don't use this, I use diluted tea tree oil. Works just as good, honestly. And lastly, I go in with my facial moisturizer by Vanicream, of course. And I go all over my face, really massage that in. And yeah, I don't know. I always roll my eyes back every time I apply moisturizer or something. It's just so relaxing for me doing my skincare. And I like to pat that in towards the end just to make it sink in there. And voila, there you go.